Hello students, you are watching Kashyap tutorial and myself Prabhakar Acharya. Students, we have started chapter number 14th Chaturdasha Pada Pratipadam Sanskritam of entire Sanskrit. And till now we have seen 4 videos. Now we are going to start 5th video where few more dialogues will see their meanings, important words and translation. So I hope your reading is going on and in a good way, and you are revising the chapters, you are revising the question answers, and also doing writing practice because writing practice is the most important things which help you to remove spelling mistakes and get good marks. So आप राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस करो क्योंकि ये सोच के मत रखो कि मेरा प्रिपरेशन हो चुका है, आई प्रिपेयर एवरीथिंग एंड आई एम रेडी फॉर द पेपर। बिकॉज आप जितना राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस करोगे और राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस के बाद में आपके मिस्टेक्स है उसको फाइंड आउट करोगे, खासकर दूसरे से एक्सचेंज करके, या फिर अपने पेरेंट्स को भी आप बोल सकते कि प्लीज़ मेरा जो है नोटबुक या मेरा राइटिंग चेक कीजिए, स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स अगर है तो मुझे बताइए। तो आप उसको अवॉइड कर सकते हो और वो दिन ब दिन मीन्स डे बाय डे you will be expert in that subject in that chapter. So let's start first the reading and then important words. I show you which part I'm going to cover in this 5th video. In this video, I'm going to cover this part which are highlighted here, which sentences, dialogues are highlighted here. So, are you ready? चलो पहले रीडिंग से स्टार्ट करते हैं और आप पेंसिल लेके रेडी रहो इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स को मार्क करने के लिए। आज इसमें मैंने खास क्या किया है, पहले के जो डायलॉग्स थे मैंने उसमें हाईलाइट नहीं किया था, स्पेशली संदेश था या तो तुमंत अव्यय एक्सेट्रा समास था, उसको हाईलाइट नहीं किया था। यहाँ पे मैंने हाईलाइट किया ताकि आप उसको अंडरलाइन कर सको और उसमें लिख सको कि ये वर्ड क्या है, वेदर इट इज तुमंतव्य, त्वांतव्य, लेवंतव्य, समास वर्ड और संदेश। सो इसके लिए मैंने हाईलाइट किया। सो गेट रेडी, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। या तयोः पृष्ठतः केचन युवकाः गोष्ठीषु रताः। प्रसादः, समीरः, लीना तथा तनुजा इत्येतानि परस्परमित्राणि। तेषु अन्यतमः तत्पुस्तकं दृष्ट्वा महोदयम् उपगम्य वदति। समीरः: महोदय, भवतोः संवादे संस्कृतस्य सन्दर्भः श्रुतः मया। भवानपि विश्वसंस्कृतपरिषद्निमित्तं विदेशं प्रस्थितः? महोदय: न खलु। परं कीदृशी एषा विश्वसंस्कृतपरिषद्? अपि भवान् संस्कृतस्य छात्रः? समीरः: आम्, अहम् IIT अर्थात् भारतीय प्रौद्योगिकी संस्थानम् इत्यत्र संगणक अभियान्त्रिकी इति विषयस्य छात्रः। तत्र छात्राः संस्कृतम् अपि पठितुं शक्नुवन्ति। अष्टाध्यायी इति व्याकरणशास्त्रविषयकः ग्रन्थः पाठ्यते तत्र मानव्यविद्याविभागे। अहं संस्कृतव्याकरणं संगणकशास्त्रं च इति विषयम् अधिकृत्य संशोधनं करोमि। तद्विषयकं शोधनिबन्धं प्रस्तोतुम् अहं परिषदि निमन्त्रिता। महोदय: अहो आश्चर्यम्, तन्त्रज्ञानसंस्थायां संस्कृतस्य अध्ययनं? महोदय: महाविद्यालये संस्कृताध्ययनं केवलं कलाशाखायाः छात्राः कुर्वन्ति इति आसीत् मे मतिः इत्यासीत् मे मतिः। समीरः: तिष्ठतु तावत्, तर्हि अवश्यं मेलयामि मे मित्राणि। एते सर्वे अपि परिषदि सहभागिनः। प्रसादः अग्रे आगत्य: नमस्ते, अहं रसायनशास्त्रस्य छात्रः। प्राचीन भारतीय रसायनशास्त्रम् इति मम संशोधनक्षेत्रम्। तद्विषयकाः ग्रन्थाः संस्कृतभाषया लिखिताः। शालायां यत् संस्कृताध्ययनं कृतं तस्य उपयुक्तताम् अहम् अधुना अवगच्छामि. So it was reading the important words. Just see, along with important words, I tell you meanings also. So आप वहाँ पे meanings लिखते जाओगे. Tayoho. Tayoho means of those two, it is Shashti and Saptami Dvivachan. Tayo means उन दोनों के बीच में it is third table पुल्लिंग and नपुंसकलिंग तस्य तयोः तेषाम और तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु. So tayo means between them. पृष्ठतः. Prushta means on rear side or we can say behind them, behind both of them. Prush Kechan, Kechan means some. Yuvakaha, Yuvakaha means youths. Goshtishu Rataha, Goshtishu Rataha means immersed in chatting, engrossed or busy in chatting. So behind them, behind both that gentleman and gentle lady, few means some youngsters are engrossed in chatting. प्रसादः समीरः लीना मीन्स प्रसाद समीर लीना तथा तनुजा इत्येतानि इत्येतानि मीन्स these are it is sandhi word also iti adhik etani so these are paraspar mitrani paraspar mitrani means friends of each other so these are means prasad samir leena तथा tanuja these are friends of each other तेषु अन्यतमः तत्पुस्तकं दृष्ट्वा महोदयम् उपगम्य वदति तेषु मीन्स among them among these youngsters अन्यतमा मीन्स one अन्यतमा का मीनिंग है एक तत् पुस्तकं दृष्ट्वा तत् मीन्स that पुस्तकं book दृष्ट्वा seeing that book Mahodiyam Upagamya Vadati. So approaching or going near to that gentleman and asking. So Drishtva is Twantavya. इसमें त्वांत अव्यय लेबंत अव्यय तुमंत अव्यय फॉर्म्स है आप उसको अंडरलाइन करके रखो या सर्कल करके रखो दैट विल हेल्प यू टू फाइंड इट इजीली so दृष्ट्वा विस्तांतव्य seeing that Mahodiyam is that gentleman Upagamya it is Levantabhya form we can see up is prefix gam is dhatu and it is Levantabhya Samira Mahoday means sir bhavatoh संवादे means in your conversation संस्कृतस्य of Sanskrit language sandarbha sandarbha means related we can say reference shrutah maya so overheard dialogue about Sanskrit or of Sanskrit in your conversation so the we means I overheard dialogue of Sanskrit related Sanskrit in your conversation so bhavan api, that is sandhi part, bhavan adhik api means you too, you also. Vishwa Sanskrit Parishadi, Vishwa Sanskrit Parishadi, that is samas means shashti tatpurusha samas samas. Vishwa Sanskrit Parishadah nimittam shashti. So going abroad to attend work Sanskrit conference. Nimittam Videsham, Videsham means abroad to foreign country. Prasthita means departed means you are also going to going abroad to attend this World Sanskrit Conference. So Samir is asking, Mahodaya, na khalo. Na khalo means that is indeclinable word. Its meaning is not indeed. नहीं तो परम कीदृशी एषा विश्व संस्कृत परिषद but what is this world sanskrit conference so but param is but कीदृशी एषा means what is this world sanskrit conference अपि भवान संस्कृतस्य छात्र means are you Sanskrit students? Bhavan means in its meaning is api means are Bhavan means you Sanskritasya chhatra are you Sanskrit student? Samira. Samira is telling yes. Aham IIT अर्थात IIT अर्थात भारतीय प्रौद्योगिकी संस्थानम I think you know this word this is very popular short form of भारतीय प्रौद्योगिकी संस्थान Miss Indian Institute of Technology जिसे कहते हैं IIT so this is a full form is भारतीय प्रौद्योगिकी भारतीय means Indian प्रौद्योगिकी means that is technology संस्थानम is institute इत्यत्र here संगणक अभियांत्रिकी इति विषयस्य छात्रा संगणक अभियांत्रिकी means computer science इति विषयस्य छात्र so I am the student of computer science so just see the Samir's uh, means the subject is studying over there as a computer science, and he is studying in IIT. तत्र छात्राः संस्कृतम् अपि पठितुं शक्नुवन्ति. There he is telling that tatra means there in that institution छात्राः students संस्कृतम अपि पठितुं शक्नुवन्ति. Students can learn, can study Sanskrit language, can also study Sanskrit language. Means in the IIT sector, students are learning Sanskrit. So this is a surprising factor, surprising thing for that gentleman and gentle lady. So पठितुम् is तुमन्तव्य. अष्टाध्यायी इति व्याकरणशास्त्र विषयक मीन्स ग्रामर बुक विषयक मीन्स ग्रामर बुक नेम्ड अष्टाध्यायी ग्रंथ treatise पाठ्यते तत्र मीन्स is taught over there Manavya Vidya Vibhaga, that means in humanities faculty department, means the grammar book grammar book named Ashtadhyayi is taught over there in humanities faculty. इसका मीनिंग ये है कि वहाँ पे अष्टाध्यायी दैट इज द मेन बुक. अष्टाध्यायी क्या है कि वहीं से सारा निकला है. देर इज एफोरिज्म, वहाँ पे फॉर्मूला है, सभी के फॉर्मूला फॉर्म में दिया है और उसी पे बुक लिखा गया है, उसी को एक्सप्लेन किया गया. दैट इज द मेन बुक. अहम संस्कृत व्याकरणम संगणक शास्त्रम च इति विषयकम. So aham means I. This is subject of this sentence. Samir is telling about him. So I. Sanskrit Vyakaranam means Sanskrit grammar. Sanganak Shastram. Sanganak Shastram is computer science. So iti vishayam adhikritya. Adhikritya means based on these two subjects, these two topics, Sanskrit grammar and computer science, Sanshodhanam Karomi. I'm doing research over there. So I'm doing research over there in that institute based on Sanskrit grammar and computer science. तद विषयकम शोध निबंधम प्रस्तुतम अहम परिषदि निबंध. तद विषयकम means related to that topic. शोध निबंधम. शोध निबंधम means that is you can say paper, means a research paper. Prastotum. Prastotum is present. It is Tumantabhya form. I am going over there to present research paper related to that topic. Parishadi, Parishadi Nimanjan. I am invited over there to present my to show my research paper related to those topics. मैं वहाँ पे जा रहा हूँ अपने टॉपिक्स को से रिलेटेड रिसर्च दिखाने के लिए. महोदया. अहो आश्चर्यम. What a surprise. So that general lady is telling, what a surprise. बहुत आश्चर्य की बात है. तंत्र ज्ञान संस्थायाम means in the Institute of Technology संस्कृतस्य अध्ययनम means learning Sanskrit language means that is the high level institution, that is the top level institution, and संस्कृत वहाँ पे भी पढ़ाया जाता है. महोदय. Gentleman is telling Mahavidyalaya means in university, in college, Sanskrit Adhyanam is a Samaj for Sanskritasya Adhyanam, learning Sanskrit. Kevalam means only Kala Shakhayaha Chhatraha Kurvanti. Kala Shakhaya means students of arts. Chhatra means students. So students of art Kurvanti are doing. Iti Asit Memati. So this is Sandhi word. Iti Adhik Asit. So I was under impression, means I thought that the Sanskrit is studied by the students of art department in college. Iti me aasi. So this Sandhi, what you can see. Samira. Then Samir says, Tishtadu Davat. Wait a little. So थोड़ा रुकिए, मैं बताता हूँ आपके बारे में. तो wait a little. तर्हि तर्हि means then Avashyam Meliyami me mitrani. Avashyam is definitely. Meliyami means I introduce. Me mitrani means my friends. And definitely I introduce my friend. It is it is must to introduce my friends to you. Iti sarve api means these are sarve adhikapi. This sandhi word sarve adhikapi. These are also parishadi सहभागन. These are also participating in conference. ये सभी conference में participate कर रहे हैं. प्रसाद. अग्रे आगत्य. अग्रे आगत्य means coming forward. It is लेवंतव्य. A plus gum लेवंतव्य. So coming forward. Namaste. Namaste means regards to you. Means I bow down to you. I salute you. Aham Rasayan Shastrasya Chhatra. Now see the sector, the subject of Prasad. Prasad का subject क्या है? So Prasad is telling I am chemistry student, Rasayan Shastrasya Chhatra, student of chemistry. प्राचीन भारतीय रसायन शास्त्रम means ancient Indian chemistry इति मम संशोधन क्षेत्रम. This is my research field. My field of research is in ancient Indian chemistry. तद्विषयकाः तद्विषयकाः means the विषयकाः ग्रंथा, the books related to that संस्कृत भाषया लिखिता are written in Sanskrit language. So those books are written in Sanskrit language. शालायां यत् संस्कृत अध्ययनं कृतं तस्य उपयुक्तताम् अहम् अधुना अवगच्छामि. शालायां means in the school. Yes, Sanskritam means whatever Sanskrit Adhyanam Kritam means I have learned Sanskrit. I learned Sanskrit in the school. Tasya upyuktatam, the use of that, the application of that. Aham adhana avgachami. Aham means I. Adhana means now. Avgachami means I understand. So now I understand the use of that Sanskrit of that Sanskrit language which I have studied in school during the school education. सो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ वर्ड्स. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो पठितुम स्तुमंतव्य, प्रस्तुतुम स्तुमंतव्य, अधिकृत्य इज लेवंतव्य, आगत्य इज लेवंतव्य, देन agatya is levantavya, and also sandhi words are highlighted in the different colors. So bhaman adhik api, iti adhik asit, sarve adhik api, etc. से संधि वर्ड्स. उपगम्य लेवंतव्य है, तीन लेवंतव्य यहाँ से वहां तक है, और दृष्टवा इस तो अंतव्य. Okay, so now I start with the translation. The beginning word you can see tayoho prishtata, and last word is adhuna abgachami. इसका translation है few youngsters behind them are engrossed in chatting. Prasad, Samir, Leena, and Tanuja are friends of each other. One of them approaches the gentleman seeing that book and says, Samir, Sir, I heard the reference of Sanskrit in your conversation. Are you two going abroad for World Sanskrit Conference? Gentleman says, Not indeed. But what is this World Sanskrit Conference? Are you a student of Sanskrit? Samir. Yes, I am student I am a student of computer engineering in IIT, that means Indian Institute of Technology. There students can study Sanskrit too. There the grammar based treatise Ashtadhyayi is taught in the Department of Humanities. I am going to research I am going I am doing research based on Sanskrit grammar and computer science. I am invited for the conference to present a research paper about it. The gentle lady says, How surprising! In Technical Institute, studies of Sanskrit. Gentlemen, I thought only the students of arts stream study Sanskrit in college. Samira, uh, Samir, wait for a while. Then I will surely introduce my friends. Even they are the participants in the conference. Prasada, coming forward. Hello, I am a student of chemistry. Ancient Indian chemistry is my field of research. There are treatises written on that subject in Sanskrit language. Now I understood the usefulness of studying Sanskrit in school. So this is the last sentence of the last translation of last sentence. Now we will see. You will see the last video, means second last video, that will be the sixth video, where the remaining part I show you important words there, and then we'll discuss about the question answers there. Additional questions also will be given with question answers. So thank you watching it, and keep on watching, underline the important words, and try to do writing practice. Again, I'm suggesting you to do writing practice, because this is most important. Most of students losing marks because of spelling errors. So once again, thank you, and very soon I'm going to upload next video.